hotline, and we in the front, very much so. It's just taking forever for them to come. Like, we checked in, guys. So we're at our gate right now. Our plane didn't come yet, but I'm about to show y'all outside. So yeah, hopefully, you know, we have a great, safe flight. I'm letting my stuff charge right now. I took out some money. She took out some money. She took out like bands. I'm like,
I cannot breathe, y'all.
Shout out to us. Let me show y'all the tarmac. Oh my God, that looks beautiful. See y'all in Iceland. Birthday girl, say what's up.
Hi.
That's corny. Say something.
I was crying on the plane.
Yeah, she's been in a very dramatic mood, but that's my dramatic birthday princess.
No.
But you're my dramatic birthday princess.
I'm sick. I've never like.
She don't do that. But I'm just saying specifically today, she has been in a mood. It's okay. I'm here to take care of her. I can't imagine if she was here alone. I would have had a 10-paragraph essay on how horrible the flight was as soon as I woke up. Hold on, I gotta take a picture of this. Let me also turn this so I can see. Welcome to Iceland, guys.
The fridge or anything, I may go get you one. You see?
Right now we're getting some food, some pizza. I got the slice right there. I'll let you guys know how it is.
Iceland do stink a little bit. It's the same smell that I've been smelling when I got off the plane. We are in
Iceland.
Try that shit again.
How you gonna say when I start recording though?
Huh?
How you gonna ask me when I start recording though?
What you mean?
Like I'm here trying to do this and then
I know.
Because I was already talking.
we are in Iceland.
No. Ooh, child. We are in Iceland. Yeah, our bus don't come until like 9:30. It's 7 a.m. We landed around 6:20 something. Was it bad?
Yes.
Landed around 6:20. It wasn't bad, but I was crying on the flight. That was the worst flight I've ever had. No shade. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm kind of like anxious. That's why I'm on the edge about everything, as he say. But yeah, I just can't wait to like really get out. We seen a little bit of the mountains. Like it was super tight, and my ears are like still popped, so I can't hear out of this one.
Yes, they do.
But so far, everybody's like super friendly here. Yeah, I can't wait to see what's in our near future. He got pizza, y'all. Let me show you. Oh, your pizza look a little good. How you feel about the flight?
It was fine. I was chilling.
What?
I got some sleep.
Look at his camera he bought. Like the quality on it is super tea. I'm not eating because no appetite. Oh, let me get some water. Please. I'm so tired.
Alright, everyone. Currently at.
I'll see y'all in like 2 hours. Currently on the way to Blue Lagoon.
Hey, baby.
Let me show you views. That's the airport way over there. It's tiny.
Out here is so beautiful, y'all. Currently on the way to Blue Lagoon. I'm sitting in front of my baby. Sitting in front of her so that we both can get views. Because we keep getting in each other's way with the content, like her phone and my stuff, my phone and her stuff. So we decided to sit behind each other. Currently missing her. I'm taking my baby pictures for her birthday. Everybody gotta know everybody. What's up, y'all? It finally smells a little better now. This volcanic stuff like really stinks. So y'all see I had to take this blanket and like cover my face. Girl on my bed, she was very like yak for real.
Yeah, I was gagging bad.
Huh?
I was gagging bad.
She was gagging bad. Look at the up close details of these rocks, bro. Look crazy. Check out this water. Oh, look at this shit. Dang.
So we're going through the slopes. If you're like skiing with a friend, you can see where they are. So I'm skiing down this run to catch up. Okay, all of a sudden she's on the ground. I'm like, oh.
It's windy. It's windy. Yo, what's up, Kai? Why?
We're in Iceland for my 23rd. Look at that. Currently almost 1 o'clock. We landed at 6. Got here at 10. We got here at 10 o'clock. 11, 12, 1, 3 hours.
Yeah.
Oh, it's time to go.
That's what I'm saying. Keep going though.
It's time to go. Surprisingly, I'm not even really that hungry, but I do want to like explore and eat. Like I do feel it. I don't even feel a nap, and I don't even feel like it's a time. It's like it's only 4 hours ahead, but still, it's not like nothing crazy.
I think it's because of the time of our flight. That helped.
I mean, I don't know. I can't handle it.
Because we would sleep into the morning. As long as you sleep into the morning, you straight. If you up, like if you would sleep all day and then you wake up and then you up all night and then you gotta come here and still be up, cook. We gotta buy a bottle. That's what we need.
We gotta get some Reka.
Yeah, some
Reka vodka. We gotta go to sleep early, babe. We gotta get up early. We gotta get up early and be out for 10 hours. But yeah, y'all. I love the Blue Lagoon.
Yeah, I'm sorry, baby.
I'm like a freak one. They drink with Josh, because Josh is my date. I like they drink this with Josh, because he eat it in the 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Currently, finally getting to our hotel. I think it's about to take, what, 30?
Let me see.
Maybe an hour, but yeah, see y'all soon.
We're in our room.
Yes.
Finally. I'm about to shower. I don't know what he's doing.
I'm about to shower too.
Okay, so we got to shower.
Wind down a little bit, maybe get some food downstairs at the restaurant.
Yeah.
Just keep it easy. Like that water really had like my body feel heavy, but like, it's like a calming heavy. Like I just want to move slow.
I'm just ready to eat.
Maybe later we might head out and do something small. I don't know.
You know we got the light tour tonight.
Huh?
We got the light tour tonight.
What time?
9:30.
Yeah.
You can sit on
They gonna pick us up here?
Yeah. Or it's a walk to the bus stop. It's like 3 minutes from here.
Alright, well we got an excursion tonight that we gotta get ready for.
Like he don't look at the itinerary. I've been had his itinerary since like
I looked at it.
January 1st.
I looked at it, I didn't study it, and that's my fault. But like,
okay,
I definitely looked at it.
Yeah.
So right here we have a chicken Caesar salad, and she has a fish and chips. I think it's codfish, and the chips is fries. That's what it is. And we're gonna give it a try. After this, we're going on a tour. What's the tour called?
Northern Light tour.
Northern Lights tour. And after that, we'll see.
Back home. Back home. Let me pull it up.
Where are you walking to right now?
The bus stop.
Yes, ma'am. About to go see the Northern Lights, guys.
Say, can we move here?
We would not move here.
Oh, yes, I would.
Our hotel, real nice.
My whites don't even match.
Yo, we just need. Yeah, guys, this is just unbelievable. Like, wow. I have the love of my life with me. Hey, sweetie. Like, just take that in, y'all. So, y'all, we did not see the Northern Lights.
I'm sad.
Yeah, she's sad. It's okay, though. Maybe one day we can come back and see it.
I'm gonna come back.
Or maybe we go to Alaska to go see it. You never know, but we about to be back to our hotel. And yeah, we're just gonna take it down, chill night, go to sleep.
It's 1:30 in the morning.
We gotta be up at 6. What time we gotta be to the bus?
8:30.
What time the bus getting us?
8:30.
Where the bus getting us?
I gotta.
She don't know where the bus getting
I
us,
got to
guys.
look. I can't remember addresses off the top of my head. Say good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Ooh, deep voice. It is 6:35 a.m. We went to sleep a little after 3 a.m. You tired?
Fine. Need some coffee.
What?
Coffee.
I need sleep. And of course it's raining out. Like, what is this? We're about to do a get dressed with me. I gotta do my edges real quick.
Who's calling that? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who?
We're at breakfast. I got a croissant, mini pancakes, chocolate chip cookies, roasted potatoes, eggs, and bacon, and orange juice. He has, what's this, cappuccino? Apple juice? With a pastry, bacon, roasted potatoes, eggs, mini pancakes. How do you feel?
Good. I'm about to eat good. Gotta charge up for the day.
Yeah, because we got a 10-hour day ahead of us, so yeah. We have to enjoy our time because everything is just flying by so fast.
Done. This syrup is busting.
Between the clouds, that's called Iceland. It's quite a big mountain, and there's a really good, on a good day, they're similar to craters, and especially if you guys have already been on a Golden Circle tour with Kierit, you might notice that it's very similar colors, but these the inside. Did you guys notice yesterday that it was a holiday here in Iceland yesterday? Do you know what we were celebrating? Yes, the first day of summer.
Guys, we just got to the first waterfall. It's windy and rainy, but
Yeah, people
beautiful.
got on boats.
I'm ready to show y'all this fountain. I feel like the fountain. Yo, all I'm gonna say is, this ain't for the weak. That's coming up. Oh, why do I always say yo? So the bus lady said that this water is actually drinkable, and if you know me, I'm a daredevil. So
Hold on, babe, let me record you.
I'm about to, yeah, but I want to do it more towards the stream.
This is clean though, look at it.
All right, y'all, this is the water right here. was nothing. Oh yeah, that's a good one. We at Black Sands right now. Hey, look at that column over there. Anywho, we at Black Sands right now. It's beautiful. Like I'm about to show you.
I can't believe like the places that I just seen on TikTok, I'm now like in real life with it. So yeah.
Hey guys.
Hi.
We are currently walking to a glacier right now. E15. That's the short term for it, because the other name is like mad long. It's like
Yogurt.
the yogurt, something like that. But they said for short they just say E15. We're about to show you guys the view. So what are we looking at?
It's like yogurt.
Oh, not even gonna put that in there.
Yes, it is.
This rainfall messing us up, yo.
Y'all, we are back from like literally 10 hours later. Babe, what time we left? 9 something.
Yeah.
We just get back at 7 something.
No. Oh, we left there at 9, but we left it here at like 8 something.
That's besides the point. We've been up since 6 a.m. We've been up 13 hours straight. Well, we took a little few naps on that. I was ready to say, cause. But y'all, we had a long day. But yeah, it was worth it.
Definitely worth it. Definitely would do it again, like ASAP. Like it was so much to take in. Like a different area though, but like it was so much to take in.
Yeah.
Like I feel like we couldn't even like really feel me. But that was a really good excursion. Good job, man. Good excursion.
Good morning, guys. We're at breakfast again. We missed dinner last night because we got in from the tour way too late. And then we was tired and then we showered by the time. And then next thing you know, it was like 10 at night, but it was still light out, so that's where it threw us off. But we're gonna do everything today because today is more of our free day. So Today's more of our free day. It's also my birthday. So today we got Sky Lagoon. What's this? Say the plate was on the. Oh. Today we're gonna go to Sky Lagoon right after we eat breakfast. I'm excited for that because, like, if you know me, you know I hate the cold. And the fact that I'm in a cold place, like, I'm grateful and I'm super blessed to even be in another country, entering my next chapter. But I cannot stand the cold, like, and mind you, before I even picked Iceland as my birthday destination, I had like 7 other places. I had like Hawaii, Greece, London, Colombia, and then one night I had a dream about Iceland, and I was just like, oh yeah, we going to Iceland. And my boyfriend was like, okay, whatever you want to do. But yeah, but no, I'm excited. And ever since we went to the Blue Lagoon, my skin has been like really, like, they wasn't lying about Iceland skincare. I swear I have not moisturized nothing. Like, just wash my face like at night and in the morning time, and look at it, super tea. But I'm about to eat, so I don't know where my boyfriend is. Hey, good morning.
Good morning, vlog.
And whose birthday is it?
Your birthday. We're on the way to Sky Lagoon. We took scooters. We just got rained on so bad.
Yeah, I still want to trade it for nothing.
I wouldn't trade it for nothing, yeah. You know we was getting smacked. Right now we got a little scenic view. We're listening to music together. Got one AirPod, she got one AirPod. We vibing, babe, we watch out. Oh. We all in the middle of the intersection, like. We are currently at Sky Lagoon. Look at the view we have behind us. Like, just gorgeous. It's my baby birthday. We're just chilling now. This is the view behind us. Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you, babe.
How you feeling?
Good. This one feels so much better than the Blue Lagoon.
Yes. Come on this side. We lost the sun.
Cause of rock.
Alright guys, we're about to be on the way to what's it called? What's the thing? The first thing? The cold plunge. So they literally about to put cold water on us.
I think we gotta step into something.
Yeah, but it's like a whole process of things that we gotta do.
7-step ritual.
It's a 7-step ritual. It ain't no ritual. I believe in God. That's the only ritual I need. But like, you feel me? I'm here for the vibes. So, you know, we're just gonna enjoy the time. I gotta carry my baby because, yeah, I carry my baby everywhere we go. She go right here. That's why she don't love me. But yeah, me and my baby just out here looking good. We're about to go in the cold plunge. Currently inside of the cold plunge. It is freezing, but I'm chilling. You know, used to this kind of cold from sports, but it's been a while. My babe could not take it. We about to do the coldness. I'm ready for this one.
Rainbow Street. I didn't really film because there was a lot going on and I kind of just wanted to take it in, but we're back. And yeah, and the church is this way. Y'all, this looks so good. My boyfriend is so big back.
It's good food. Can't waste it.
He said he full, but he's still eating. He been eating by himself for like the last 20 minutes now.
20 minutes?
Yes, I've been done.
2 minutes.
No. Yeah, how cute is this little fish water bottle? It's so cute. And it's super tea in here. Shout out to my friend for putting me on this spot. She came here last month and she got something else, but the food is really, really good. Definitely will come back. Guys, we are headed home. I'm sad because I don't want to leave. I literally hate Jersey. But I'm in the bathroom right now. Yeah, Iceland was a time. Iceland was definitely a time. I don't know if I'll be back because I don't like the cold, but Iceland was a time. I wouldn't mind coming back.
Let's say we're about to land.
It's been real.
It's been real, Iceland. We're about to take off. There's a huge gap in between our contact, but we just try to take the last few hours/day to ourselves. But yeah, we're on the way home. Tired. I still gotta take a 40-minute drive home.